Welcome to Top Product Picks. The best Valentine bookmark is probably one of the most thoughtful gifts you can give this Valentine's Day. Whether your loved one is a bookworm or just appreciates a good read, a beautiful bookmark is a perfect way to show you care. In this video, we'll be diving into some of the best Valentine's Day bookmarks available, exploring their designs, materials, and overall appeal to help you find the perfect one. Number 5. Wayzton Leather Heart Bookmarks. These adorable bookmarks are perfect for any book lover. They are handmade and designed to make reading even more enjoyable. Made from soft PU leather, this bookmark is gentle on your books. It's also waterproof and durable, ensuring it will last for a long time. The vintage design adds a touch of elegance to your reading experience. It creates a calm and inviting atmosphere, making it easier to get lost in your favorite stories. Simply slip the bookmark onto the corner of the page. It's a convenient way to mark your place and easily pick up where you left off. Plus, it adds a decorative touch to your books. These bookmarks make a great gift for readers of all ages. They're perfect for students, teachers, or anyone who loves to read. They are sure to be appreciated. You'll receive a set of 6 bookmarks in various colors. There's a color for every mood, making them a practical and stylish accessory. What we like. This bookmark is crafted from soft PU leather and features a classic retro design. It's not just a bookmark, it's a stylish accessory that adds a touch of vintage charm to your reading. If you appreciate a blend of elegance and practicality, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The bookmark is absolutely beautiful and well made. The design is very pretty and the colors are vibrant. It's a perfect gift for any book lover. Number 4. Haooryx Valentine's Day Coloring Bookmarks, 75 PCS. Get ready for some Valentine's Day fun. This set includes 72 unique bookmarks with 12 different designs. It comes with colorful ribbons to add a special touch to your gifts. These bookmarks feature cute Valentine's Day patterns. You'll find unicorns, bears, bees, and more. They are perfect for adding a personal touch to your gifts. The bookmarks are made from durable, coated paper. They are fade-resistant and non-toxic, so your creations will last. It's designed to keep your artwork vibrant and beautiful. Each bookmark has a pre-printed design, ready for your colors. It's easy to customize, whether you're a beginner or an expert. This makes it a great activity for everyone. These bookmarks aren't just for books. You can use them as gift tags or plant tags. They're great for crafts, parties, and reading clubs. It's a perfect gift for anyone. What we like. These bookmarks offer a fun, creative activity with adorable Valentine's Day designs. You can personalize them with your own colors and messages. If you are looking for a unique and engaging gift or activity for kids, this is a great option. What people say. These Valentine's color your own bookmarks are not only thick and durable but also beautifully designed. Bonus, it came with red ribbons to tie on if you choose to. The variety offered was fantastic and the kids really enjoyed customizing them with color. Number 3. Fancyland Valentine's Bookmark Craft Kits 30-pack. Looking for a fun Valentine's Day activity? These craft kits are perfect for kids. They are great for classroom parties or home activities. Each pack includes 30 Valentine's Day craft kits with 6 different designs. Each kit contains a bookmark, sticker sheet, ribbon, and a plastic bag. The bookmarks are made of cardstock, making them easy to assemble. All the decorative parts have tape on the back, so it is easy to put together. Each bookmark measures 2 inches by 6 inches, and the sticker sheet is 4.3 inches by 5.5 inches. It's a great size for kids to enjoy. These bookmarks are a great choice for classroom exchanges, teacher prizes, party favors, and crafts. It will bring more fun to your kids. What we like. This kit provides a simple and fun craft activity with pre-cut designs and easy assembly. It's perfect for classroom exchanges or party favors. If you need a quick and engaging craft for kids, this will be a great choice. What people say. Amazing Valentine gifts I put in my daughter's Valentine bags. Cute designs for both boys and girls. This was a cute and very easy craft for a class Valentine party. Bought these as a Valentine's Day craft for kindergartners and they loved it. Number 2. Winjeto Leather Heart Bookmarks, 6 PCS. These heart bookmarks are crafted from soft PU leather with fine stitching. The material ensures durability, so you can enjoy them for a long time. The heart design makes it exquisite and attractive. It serves as a book marker and a decoration. Each bookmark is compact and easy to carry. Simply place the bookmark in the footer after reading. It helps you remember where you left off. It provides a good user experience and won't easily fall out. This is a lovely gift for book lovers. It's perfect for classmates, friends, or as rewards for students. It motivates people to read. You'll receive 6 bookmarks in various colors. There's plenty to meet your daily needs. Colors include black, green, rose, brown, pink, and yellow. What we like. This bookmark features a lovely heart design crafted from soft PU leather. It is designed to make reading more fun. If you are looking for a cute and practical gift for book lovers, this is a perfect choice. What people say. These leather heart bookmarks are absolutely adorable and make reading even more enjoyable. The set of 6 is perfect for marking multiple books, and the soft leather gives them a nice, durable feel. They slide easily onto the corner of the page without damaging it and stay in place really well. Cute quality is great, no worries about it coming apart, feels like good quality leather. Functionality of it is easy to use, great idea. You can fit multiple pages in it or a couple depending on how sturdy you want it. I generally don't worry about it coming off. These are so cute and work great. Number 1. Supla Magic Scratch Rainbow Bookmarks Kit. This amazing kit includes 36 scratch bookmarks in 2 styles. It's a fantastic way to spark creativity and provide hours of fun for kids and students. They can create their own colorful designs. The kit comes with everything you need: scratch paper bookmarks, wooden styluses, satin ribbons, cellophane bags, and twist ties. It's all there, ready for you to start creating. It's perfect for parties and classroom activities. Each bookmark is about 5.9 inches long and 2 inches wide, ideal for detailed designs. The included wooden styluses make scratching easy. The ribbons and bags add a nice finishing touch to the artwork. The black surface hides vibrant rainbow colors underneath. Simply scratch away the surface to reveal the beautiful colors. It's a fun and engaging activity for all ages. This scratch art kit is perfect for parties, crafts, family fun days, and school projects. It's a great gift for teens, children, and friends. It encourages visualization and creativity. What we like. This set offers a unique scratch art experience, revealing vibrant rainbow colors. It's a creative and engaging activity for all ages. If you are looking for a fun and interactive craft project, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The bookmark is made of high-quality materials. The design is beautiful and elegant. It's a perfect gift for book lovers. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.